Hi, my name's Joe Grillo. This is Greg from Ambient DJ. We're teaming up together to put on a great wedding today. What are we going to do today, Greg?
Well, Joe, we've got some exciting stuff going on. We're going to have yourself performing at the cocktail hour.
And what do I do?
Well, you have many talents, Joe, but you're going to be playing saxophone at the cocktail hour. You're all ready for that.
Mm-hmm.
And after cocktail hour, you're going to come back up here to the Prince William Ballroom and join the wedding reception. You're going to take a little break, but we're going to have you back for dinner, and you're going to do some singing.
I'll do a little singing,
and
a little playing the sax.
A little sax, a little singing, and then for the grand finale, we'll have Joe back out on the dance floor performing alongside with the DJ for cool songs like
Mr. Saxo Beat,
Saxo Beat,
Uptown Funk.
Uptown Funk. So we're going to have a lot of fun. This is a really cool package where a wedding couple or client gets the best of both worlds. They get live music, they get DJ entertainment, and it's going to be fantastic.
Hope you enjoyed the video.
Great dimension to the room tonight. He's fabulous.
Sax player. Great. Awesome. Yeah.
It's really good. How is it?
Noticed a man playing the saxophone during cocktail hour.
His name is Joe Grillo, and Joe's played with some of the top bands in the world, and he's here tonight. So right now, Joe, come on out and play. Thank you, Joe. Smoke will tenderize. I guess you say what can make me feel this way. It's my girl. Isn't she cute? Talking about my standing ovation. How about that? Thank you so much.